Hi guys, welcome to Pro Web Coder. My name is Rahul and I am a Shopify expert. So today I have got for you a very exciting news. This app which I've created, I am making the sections completely free of cost. So you can install this app, and once you install this app you'll see many sections coming up over here. So once you install the app, you'll see this page which with more of my apps and the sections which would be there, plus landing pages would be there. So once you click on the sections, you'll be able to see the sections coming up. So it should load any minute. Yeah, so you can actually install these were premium section, but I have for limited period of time I've made it free, so you can see the sections and the demo of how it would look. So yeah, you can just check of how this section would look. So you see these sections, these good looking sections are now completely free of cost. You can simply install it. It would be directly installed to your to your theme, and you'll be able to get these sections like pricing table, banners, center image with text, and all other sections with reviews, image collage, etc. And interactive text with images. You can see how it looks. So yeah, you see this is all completely free of cost. So what you need to do is simply go to the link in the description below and you can install this app. Once you install this app, you'll be able to get those sections for free. And if you want, there are other apps also. You can install those apps, although they are not free, but they are really good apps which I've created, which would be really useful for you in the future, like trust badges and new customer accounts, and the cart flex, which allows us to add more products, and trust badges. One more app is coming. The name of the app is order editor, which allows us to edit the orders and checkout page. So that is something which is going to be done in future. So but before that, you can simply install the app and get leverage of the free sections till a limited period of time. And it's not a recurring cost, it's just a one-time cost for the section. So currently it is completely free, so you can simply go and ahead and install those sections. So yeah, looking forward for your for you to install and check the sections. And if you like those sections, you can simply give me a review in the app. That would be really helpful. Thank you.